Three types of signs. Now, I adore this, so I always put this on the test. And I've got my dog in the picture, but we're gonna use CAT. We're gonna use cat as the example here. This is C.S. Peirce. He's an American philosopher. He identified three different types of signs. I put these on the test all the time because they're great to know, and we as humans use them all the time, that there are icons. Yeah. Now, an icon is a sign. It refers to an object that it denotes by virtue of characters of that object. Yeah. So things like, when you look at an architect's rendering of a building and we say, oh, that's an icon for what that building is going to be. Yeah. Now, the best example I can say of an icon is something that's really developed because of these cell phones. You know, I'm looking at my cell phone now and recording this on my cell phone. But because of texting, we've created the emoji keyboard. Yeah. Now, emojis, I think, are quite wonderful because we can denote happiness in just a picture. Yeah, that and it's kind of fascinating. We get the keyboard expands, we get new ones all the time. But I love that capability that if I type DOG, I can suddenly pick, the picture of the dog and I can text that to you rather than sending you the DOG. Yeah. So that's, in the same way, a heart is a great symbol for love. Yeah. And the fact that we have all of these rainbow hearts gives us another kind of way of even expressing what this heart feels in these colors. Yeah. So anyways, that's quite wonderful. So icons. Now, an index is a sign that refers to the object by being affected by that object. So an index, if I suddenly start sneezing, you might say, maybe it's allergy season, or maybe he's getting a cold. So the sneeze is not a sickness, but it's an index of the sickness. In the same way that if suddenly we smelled smoke, you might think what? Fire. Yeah, that it's an index of that. If we go to this idea of a cat, if you suddenly heard a meow, that would be a cat. Yeah. So you would say, without even seeing it, you could think, where's the cat? Yeah, because that is another type of sign, but it's an index. Yeah. And then finally, we have a symbol. Now, the symbol of a sign, it's just a sign that constitutes the thing merely by the fact that we understand it as such. And words are like that. That C-A-T is understood as cat. Yeah. So here's a great kind of image here with regards to cat. We can have icon, we can have index, and we can have symbol. Yeah. Now for the icon, I was using this drawing of a cat, but then I went and pulled the emoji. So this is the emoji of cat. Yeah. So an icon, we look at this and we think, oh, that's a cat. If we hear meow, that's an index of a cat. And the CAT, that is the symbol that we use for a cat. So fascinating. Icons, indexes, and symbols.